one stage 1 and stage 2, there is a gap, and you need to fulfill this gap through involving everything, immersing everything. You are translating and speaking, translating, speaking, and one day you will see the progress that now your mind is saying, I know every sentence, you don't need to translate any sentence. I know every sentence that you are going to translate. If you are watching this video, it means you are facing the same problem. It takes a long time for you to create or form a sentence. Why? Because whenever you try to speak, first of all, you think in your mind in your native language. It can be Hindi or other language, it can be your state language, but first, it is your habit. You are habitual to speak only in your native language. Then you translate into the English. Then you try to speak in front of other or in the public. So this is a really a time taking period, but you don't need to do it. But I want to say you that do not take it as the problem, because I want to congratulate you because you have reached on the stage 1 of the English speaking part. This is the stage 1. After that comes stage 2, in which we don't think, we don't translate, we stop translating in Hindi. We directly try to speak only in English. This is the stage 2. So now we are going to move on to the stage 2 from the stage 1. Right now you can form the sentence, you can translate the sentence, but you cannot directly speak in front of other. So now we are going to learn how can we do it. We can do it through some exercises, through following some tips, and through the consistency in your hard work. These things are really very important for you. So first of all, we need to understand, when we try to speak, it is our creation part. So when we try to speak, we have to speak as much as we can do. So first of all, we need to train our tongue. We need to train our mind for the English speaking. When you go to the gym, what happens in the first time? When you pull dumbbells, it hurts you. But can you see the result in the single day? No. You will not see the result in a single day. It takes a long time. It may take 30 days to see you result or the progress. But you don't need to judge yourself day by day. You don't need to uh, measure your progress day by day. I am saying, when if you are watching this video right now, so you don't need to measure your progress. You will see directly after 30 days and comment me that now what happened with you. I'm sure you will definitely be improving yourself. You will definitely see improvement in yourself. So the first is, try to read aloud as much as you can read aloud. Read, speak, read, speak. You have to do it every day for 10 minutes. Then you will think in your mind. Whatever the situation is coming in your mind, you will think in Hindi. Then translate it. Most of the time, it happens that we face the same problem. We see the same things, and we most of the time goes on the same way. So whenever you are going on the way, you just think in your mind, oh, a cat is coming. First of all, you will think in your in your native language, then you will translate it. But gradually, when your mind get to know, okay, when a cat is coming, we speak, cat is coming. So your mind will not ask you what call it in Hindi or in your native language. It will directly speak in English. Okay, the cat is coming. This is the one part. When you speak, when you translate everything in your mind in English and try to speak it aloud only in English, so it will become a habit for you to speak only in English. You're thinking in Hindi, but you're speaking in English. This is the part. Don't think I'm telling you to translate everything. Think you are just applying, you are just in the progress part. There is one stage 1 and stage 2. There is a gap, and you need to fulfill this gap through involving everything, immersing everything. You are translating and speaking, translating, speaking. And one day you will see the progress that now your mind is saying, I know every sentence. You don't need to translate any sentence. I know every sentence that you are going to translate. So, this time, when your mind says, na, I know every sentence, this is the stage two. Now you don't need to think in your native language, you are thinking in your own language. Now you will go into the third stage. On the third stage, you just need to speak fluently as much as you can speak fluently. So first of all, you need to work on your stage 2, and how you just need to train your mind by telling it that we speak it like this. We speak this like this. So now what you need to do? You have to follow this same formula for 30 days. Then comment me what the progress you have got.